starting my morning with a large black coffee for a straw though, because it stains my teeth, and with some collagen just to get me ready for a workout. Good morning guys, I hope you are doing well. So I'm starting off a what I eat in a day. I did film this a couple of weeks ago, however the camera quality was too good. It was just showing all my spots and all the creases and everything, so I just couldn't look at it anymore. So I'm going to start again. So I have a working from home day today, just filming. So this is more of an easier day for food and making sure that it's like all nutritional, and I'm getting all my like 5 a day in and everything. I'm currently doing veganuary, so yeah, so I thought I would show you what I am eating today. This morning I had a black coffee with some collagen vanilla creamer from JS Health, which is super delicious. Yeah, so this is the JS Health Beauty Collagen Creamer. This is in vanilla and it's gluten-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, and I'm really enjoying it. And also as well, it's really good for helping with anti-aging and just putting that nourishment back into your skin. It says here, pure marine collagen peptides unite with delicious coconut milk and creamy vanilla to give your beverage a beautifying, age-defying boost of nourishment. Collagen is the primary building block for skin, hair and nails, which decreases as we age. So it's a really good one. So you get a little scoop in it like so. So it has a good measurement, so you can do up to 1 a day. Enjoy 1 to 2 scoops a day. So I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet. I think I'm going to make a smoothie, and I'm going to put that in just to make it a little bit more creamier. So yeah, I had quite a big like meal, kind of like quite filling meals yesterday, so I'm not too hungry, but I am feeling very peckish. So I think I'm going to make a smoothie now. I just went to Sainsbury's and got some new little bits. So I haven't tried this peanut butter before. This is the deep roast crunchy manilife peanut butter like no other. I got some medjol dates. I'll also put in, I've also got some like powders and stuff like that as well. So yeah, I might make like a green smoothie and add some matcha in there. I've also got this, this is a kaduku plum powder. I got kindly sent this in a PR package, and it's full of really incredible nutritional like antioxidants, and like it's got really high level of vitamin C. So yeah, so good to just kind of like throw in all really good produce into a smoothie, and I like to make it quite big and chunky. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that with a banana, ginger, a date, some peanut butter, matcha, the creamer, and yeah, I'll show you what I make. Okay, so I'm gonna put you there because it's a bit lighter. So I've got a Nutribullet and it comes with these large cups. So first off, I'm gonna fill it up with some ice, and then I'm gonna fill that up with some water. I'm gonna add 1 banana, some ginger, going to add a medjol date for a sweetener. Just remember to check if it's got pip in it. And then I'm going to add some powders. So first up, I'm going to add some maca powder, and they're in some reusable glass jars from like condiments we've had previously. And we just go to Source in Battersea Rise near Clapham Junction and go and collect our like powders, some like hand wash and cleaning liquids, and yeah, just a bit more sustainable, and it's quite fun to do. So I'm going to add a little bit of matcha in there now, and some spirulina, chia seeds. Going to add some of that plum powder. It's just a nice way to like add in all these ingredients and feel like you're getting quite a lot of nutrients from it. This is some vanilla protein powder. I think it's pea protein powder, so it's vegan. I'm going to add a bit of collagen and then add some peanut butter. This one's super dark. It's got bits in it as well. So the ingredients in this one, I didn't actually look, and I was a bit nervous and I was like, oh no, did I buy a bad one? But it says it's got absolutely no palm oil, no added sugar, vegan, Mani peanuts, Argentine Spanish, and the ingredients in it is high oleic peanuts and a bit of sea salt, and that's literally it. Yeah, so a really good source of like healthy protein and fats in that. And that is my morning smoothie. Delicious. So it is the afternoon now. I'm just about to have my second coffee of the day. I usually have one, like I said, in the morning before doing a workout, and that's just like a black coffee. And then this is a oat milk latte. And yeah, I usually try to have this either at 10 AM or 2 PM, but that like try and maximize that as being the latest. But yeah, I'm going to do some admin and drink this and then do a bit more filming. Okay, so it is lunchtime now. I think I'm gonna make a salad. I'm gonna do a tofu mint salad with maybe a bit of a satay dressing. I feel like that'd be quite nice, so I thought I'd quickly talk you through it and then do the process. So first of all, I thought I'd go through the ingredients that I'm going to be needing. So I got some tofu from the Tofu company, and it's the firm one. So you can get silky ones or like a firm one, which is a bit more like dense and probably easier to cook with. And yeah, that's that one. Also as well, we really like the Sainsbury's own branded tofu. That's really good as well. Some mint, a bit of ginger, some salad, the classic avocado, toms and cucumber. I think I'm gonna get the chili out, and a chili for good measure. Also as well, I'm going to make a dressing, so I'm gonna use the peppermint coconut almond butter, and I think I'm gonna make like a really nice like dressing with this, some soy sauce and some lime. So first of all, I'm going to drain the tofu in a packet like this. I have a Tupperware to store it. Sauce now. So I've just got a reusable jar from a condiment. So first off, just squeeze in some lime. I'm going to add some ginger that I chopped up with a couple of chilies, and then I'm going to add some, this is coconut almond butter. So I've done like a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to add some gluten-free soy sauce. Add some honey for sweetener. I'm going to do a dash of water just so I can prolong this sauce, and we can have it throughout the week. And then I'm gonna put that in the fridge and get it out when it's cool. Okay, so all the prep is done. So how's having a tuna salad? So we usually use all the same. We usually use all the salad bits. I've just toasted some tofu. I just put it in a pan with some oil. And then as you saw, I just did a little dressing. So now the easy bit is just to put it all together. So I will put you on a time lapse whilst I do that. My tofu salad. I was quite happy with that. So like I said, I've just garnished it with the satay sauce, the almond sauce, some mint and chilies, and it looks delicious. So I'm going to tuck into that and then have a little bit of a lunch break. So I've just finished filming, I'm about to make myself a mint tea, and as you can see I received a really cool package from Pip and Nut, so I thought I'd give this a go. So I'll leave one for Hal, so I'll have one of these, and I'm gonna make myself a mint tea. So usually around this time I kind of have a sugar craving. I know I had my coffee a while ago, but something sweet is always needed, so I'll either have fruit or just an extra tea or another coffee, anything. But as I have received from this brand called Pip and Nut, I thought I'd give them a go. So they look like little cups. Maybe I'm gonna dip it. Wow, I don't know if you can see that, but that is just chocolate and peanut butter. The best combo. It's gonna have a mint tea, chocolate, heat up my sloth, and I'm gonna edit for the rest of the afternoon. Hello guys, so I completely forgot to start sharing with you what we're doing for dinner. So we're gonna make a stir fry. I've currently got in the pan some shallots, ginger, chilli and garlic. We've got some rice noodles going on. Hells is chopping up broccoli, parsnips, and we've got some pak choi and some cabbage which came from spring greens, which came from Oddbox. And the sauce I made earlier, I've kind of made a bigger batch of it with some miso paste. There's stock in there, some shallots. But yeah, so that's what's in there now. So then we can like slowly add it in bit by bit. Got some tofu, and yeah, we're just gonna pour the vegetables bit by bit in. Maybe the parsnips. Yeah. They take a while, don't they? We have some sides, some fresh chili and mint, and some sriracha, which goes everywhere on our food because we just love it so much. Hells and I have got rice noodles. Laurie's turning up later, and we're cooking him some rice. And yeah, that is the vegetable